So what are the qualities of good research? First thing, it should be systematic. Now, everything, whatever we do, any work or anything, if it is systematic, it will be understood easily by us as well as the people who are watching it. So it should have a proper structure and specific steps, like one after the other. What are we doing? Any work you take, whether it is a simple lab experiment or research work or anything, any simple study related to a particular chapter, if it is systematic and specific steps you follow, it is very easy to be understood by your own self plus the people around you as well. So similarly in the research also, it should be structured with specified steps to be taken in a specific sequence in accordance with a well-defined set of rules. Now what it means is, like in specific sequence, see, you cannot bring in the conclusion first. Like without conducting the experiment, conclusion cannot be drawn. So first you have to conduct the experiments, collect the data, then follow certain tools and techniques to achieve certain goals. Then once those goals are achieved, then you can draw the conclusion or what else can be done further. So this is a specific like outline of any research work. So if it is systematically done in this way, then that is called a good research. Second one, it is logical in nature. Now, what we mean by logical is, for any work you carry out, if there is a associated logical reason behind carrying out that and how it is carried out, plus how you have arrived at those results and what conclusion can be drawn out of it, for all of them, if there is a logical approach, easily it will be understood and implementation also is easier. So good research is logical. This implies that research is guided by the rules of logical reasoning, and the logical process of induction and deduction are of great value in carrying out research. That means starting from the method which we take up plus the tools which we adopt and the data we collect, everything should have some logic behind it. So induction is the process of reasoning from a part to a whole, whereas deduction is the process of reasoning from some premise to a conclusion. So again here it is divided into two parts, from induction to deduction. Now induction is the reasoning part to a whole, entire research work, whereas this is from the half part to the conclusion part. So like this, for everything, if it is logically supported, this gives a good research outcome. So in fact, logical reasoning makes research more meaningful in the context of decision making. So this is the process, how it is carried out, plus the conclusions, what you draw. Even these are logical, then overall process of research is logical and it gives good conclusions or meaningful decision. Now the third point is, good research is empirical. So empirical means it is applicable to group wise also. When you have done it for the general purpose, definitely it is applicable to a group. So it implies that research is related basically to one or more aspects of real situation and deals with concrete data that provides a basis for external validity to research results. External validity means for whatever we design the research, even though it is systematic, even though it is logical, if it is applicable, the results are applicable to a population, you will be able to validate it. You will be able to test it. You will be able to validate it. So such a research which can be validated is empirical in nature. The next point, good research is replicable. So this characteristic allows research results to be verified. Now we have validated in the empirical case. Now you want to verify it by replicating the study and thereby building a sound basis for decision. So all these four qualities, if you put them together, now first thing, you are following a systematic approach. That means there are certain rules and those are followed in a sequence. Next thing, all these are with the support of some logic. From starting, that is from data collection, choosing a specific method, then following those steps or implementing them, the tools and techniques, then testing it on certain group of people or a population, that is to validate the methods whatever you have applied, then verify them. You have validated, now you want to test them on another group. So verify whatever results you have got. So all these things, if they are there with one research, that is called as a good quality research. So these 4 points are always associated with a good research work. In some cases, this empirical or replicability for a certain period of time may not be possible. But if the first two are followed, definitely on some group it will be tested. So it is empirical in nature. And again, if you repeat over the same group, definitely it is replicable. So these are the qualities of good research work.